Kia ora te whānau. Today we'll be talking about diphthong, and this is going to be a simple version. The next video is going to be more detailed. So, the simple definition of diphthong is a gliding vowel formed by two vowel sounds. There are no glottal stops or breaks between the vowels. For example, if you were to pronounce this, with glottal stops or breaks, it sounds like this. E-a. E-a. That's not what we want. What we want is the gliding sounds between the two vowels. So it sounds like this. Ea. Ea. So there are no stops between the vowels. Now, out of all these, the most difficult ones I'd say are O and O. And I'll give you tips on how to do them. So here are the examples. And the first two are the difficult ones. Last one we've already done. First, you need to repeat the first vowel, a. So let's just choose this for now. So for example, I'll be saying a. Then add the second vowel, u. O. So you start with the first vowel, a, and add the second vowel, o. Let's go to the next set. O. Repeat the first vowel, o. Then add the second vowel, u. O. Lastly, I. Repeat the first vowel, a. Add the second vowel, e. I. You may see every now and then what we call double vowels when the vowels are repeated. Now, I've highlighted them, and you can pronounce these as though they were vowels with macron. For example, a will be a. E will be e. I will be e, and so on. Fairly simple. I hope you learned something new today. Kia kaha te reo Māori, and ka kite anō.